So I created another window here. The bottom one, I want to set it to playback, and the upper window here, the top, not the top, the middle window here, I'm going to change to dope sheet, and I'm going to set the end frame to 25 because, uh, no, it's actually 24. I want to create 24 frame animation. Okay, then from the dope sheet, I want to select action editor. I want to create two animations. One is for idle pose, and the second one is for walk animation. I'm just first going to create the idle, and for idle pose, I just want to bring the arms down, and the connector will be in steady standing pose. So I select this control here. I'm also okay. Select the here and press G. Select the same control here. Move it, and I want to rotate this around y-axis. And same thing here. Okay, so this is going to be our idle pose. So I'm going to select all by pressing A button and, and press I to add a keyframe. And the end keyframe is also going to be the same. So I'm just going to click on this, Control C, and on 24th frame, just do Control V. So let's see. Yeah. So this is going to be an idle pose. So I'm going to push it down so that I can create the next animation. So the next one will be walk. All right. So for walk, um, I'm going to move this leg, G. I'm going to move this leg and rotate it. Okay. I'm going to bring it a little down. And this leg will go back and turn it. All right. So the left leg is forward, so the left arm should be moving back. and the right hand should be moving forward. Okay. Um, okay, I think this looks good. So I'm going to again select all by pressing A and press I button to insert keyframe. I'm going to copy this keyframe, move to 25 and paste it here. Then I'm going to go to 12 and right click here and I'm going to paste flipped position. So with that, let's see. Okay, it's not the perfect walk, but I think if you want to fine tune, you can do that. I'm going to stop here because, as I said, rigging is not necessarily the focus of this video. I just wanted to show how to create character quickly and then import them, import the character in Unity and use the character controller to move. Okay, so I'm going to stop the animation and I'm going to move to object mode.